Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and play Starving Artists on mobile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that matter, first of all you have to do is simply access your Roblox app on your mobile phone and simply sign in as well. Once you have done so, all you have to do is simply go to the search tap on the search icon on top and type in Starving Artist. You can see we have this recommendation right over here. Once you have done so, you will be able to find this option on top, which is Starving Artists Nation game by Double Bandit Studios. Go ahead, tap on it. Once you have done so, you will be able to browse through and read all about it. And here in this section you do have option of passes and gear. If you simply tap on this icon, you will be able to simply purchase it for your designs or for your art that you're going to create and play right over within the game. You can choose to simply tap on it and you can purchase it as well. Once you go back, you will be able to see this kind of description regarding it, and if you simply want to play, all you have to do is tap on this particular green icon in the bottom. Once you have tapped on it, it's simply gonna go ahead, load, and simply gonna look like this, right? All you have to do is simply wait till it loads and simply tap on this I agree. You will agree for the terms and condition and you will simply start playing. You can choose your art on top. You can also choose to go to the shop and simply start playing and purchasing whatever you would like for your art. So this is the basically simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.